Sabi ko kay Juanito na nag-cover kami first time na Marikina in their first win. Timaho fills in a free from the left corner. He's been instrumental in their first two wins para dito sa Gensan, Coach Vic.
Yeah, very reliable point guard si Hesed Gaboy. I coach him in the college lang. He played for me in college.
Where the first 2 points for the Gensan Warriors. Marikina is up by 1. Timaho getting past Kyle Tolentino. All the 5 points coming from Mr. Suave. Gabo lines it up. No, he puts it on the deck. Now pulls up for the 20-footer. It's good.
That's what I'm saying. Very veteran to si Hesed Gabo.
Jonicio fires a 3 short. Louis Vigil grabs the rebound. Pinasa kay Deo Timaho. Pulling up. Lista mo na. Galing kay Deo Timaho. Versosa nakabuelo. Poor pass leads to another turnover. Louis Vigil. Chris Porter. Back to Louis Vigil. Will pull up. And it's money for Louis Vigil.
Parang ang dali for Louis Vigil. Go-to guys, especially in rebounding. Ang sipag kumuha ng bola niya.
Eusebio with a floater. Left that one short. Numbers for Marikina. Escoto will pull up for free. It's good! And there was a foul underneath. Early offense, Coach Vic.
Yes. Tama ka kanina eh. I think nakita ni Coach yung yung medyo lamang yung Mindoro. Tama, Zamboanga last game. Oo. Sa fast break.
Rips a pass to Antonio Eusebio to a cutting Chris Porter. And get that one to fall. Just like what you said, Bataan will play later on. They are 2-0. Caloocan is 3-0. Deo Timaho with 9 markers fading away his first foul. Napakahirap na tira galing kay Deo Timaho. Eusebio the rebound. Melo Santos on the run. Wild shot, no good. Adi Santos there to clean it up, but can't convert on a putback. 4 seconds left. Mark Cruz will pull up. And Louis Vigil got a piece of that shot. And the first quarter comes to a close.